Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start on the PS5 signed into the adult family account. This gives control. Go to Settings, then Family and Parental Controls, and open Family Management so you can edit child restrictions. Once done, locate the child account tied to Minecraft. You'll need its PSN ID and permission level. Make sure Minecraft is closed on the console while you change settings so updates apply cleanly. This immediate setup prevents delays later and ensures you're changing the right account. Now adjust the app and communication controls that affect Minecraft gameplay. You'll pick the child profile, then Applications/Devices/Communication, set communication and user-generated content to what you want, allow for multiplayer, restricted to block unknown contacts. Next, set age-based app limits or explicitly allow Minecraft if it's flagged. This fixes access blocks. Once applied, restart the console so Minecraft inherits the new permissions. These steps finish by confirming Minecraft's Microsoft account connection. Open Minecraft, go to Profile Sign In, and verify the child's Microsoft account is linked. Then use Microsoft Family Settings online to allow multiplayer and cross-platform play if you use Bedrock features. Once permissions are synced, restart Minecraft and test joining a server or playing with friends. If it fails, one key troubleshooting tip: sign out both PSN and Microsoft. Clear saved data cache, then sign in again. This often forces permission refreshes and resolves lingering blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.